In this video, I wanted to give you a brief overview of how submittals are sequenced and numbered, and how you know what you're looking at if you're just reading the submittal number, and to make sure that it's either approved, rejected, or the most current revision of a submittal. So for example, I'm in a previous project under the submittals tab, and I've brought up, so it brings up the submittal log. Just to show you an example, we're going to be looking at the residential casework submittal. So in Procore, it automatically gives you the submittal numbers. So in this case, it's 1. So that means it's the first time that a submittal has been submitted within this exact spec section number, and within division 123530. If there was an additional submittal in this section, that would be number 2. A case like that would be for residential casework. You would have your shop drawings, which would be 1, and then you would have color samples submittals, which would then be number 2. So you can tell that those are 2 separate submittals, though they're in the same spec section. And then you also have your revision number. If there's a submittal that's rejected and then you revise and resubmit, that would obviously then change to 1. So when a submittal is uploaded, all of that information is reflected here in the first few numbers of the title of the submittal. And for example, I've pulled up the submittal cover page to show you how those relate. So the first numbers are these division. So in this case, it would be division 8 for doors and hardware. And then the next section, this is for the section number within division 8. This is the sequence number. So it's the first submittal that has been sent in 08-7100. And then the revision number is this next number. So it's revision 0, meaning that it has not been revised, and it's the current version. And then it also gives you the actual title of the submittal, and then if it's product data, shop drawings, or samples. So hopefully that will give you a little bit better idea of, when you're looking through submittal logs and at submittals, what these numbers mean and how you can look to see if what revision and what each of these numbers mean.